Hi, I'm Asif Farouk at Finextra, and I'm speaking here with Philip Walsh, the CEO of Simplex GTP. Hi Philip, thanks for joining us. Simplex was the first independent SWIFT service bureau in the UK. The global transaction platform you provide has had a significant evolution. So would you still describe yourself as a SWIFT service bureau?
Yes, we are a SWIFT bureau in many cases. The thing that has changed for us significantly in recent years is the amount of other things that we now offer, which go well beyond SWIFT. It's a key component part of our offering, but the reality now is our open platform, to use an analogy like the phone, smartphones nowadays, are they phones? Would people still consider them as phones? Well, they do a lot more now. In the same way, our platform offers a lot more than SWIFT, and the open architecture with multiple vendor offerings consolidated into one solution, which in our market today is unique, is different from a SWIFT bureau. But in some cases, people still would assume that because we offer SWIFT, of course we offer connectivity and all the SWIFT services, but so in some markets we are considered, or in some segments we are considered a SWIFT bureau, but we are a hell of a lot more than that.
In an increasingly competitive and uncertain global market, what service differentiators do you consider important for financial institutions?
I think the ability for a large financial institution to acquire products and services in one place, again, a phone, an iPhone for example, you wouldn't go to multiple areas to find the applications that you want from the phone. You go to one place, you download those applications, you consume those services. In the same way, that's what you do with our platform. That in itself is a very big differentiator, and again, very unique in the marketplace today. On the business side, the evolution, if you like, of software as a service, where people paid to use software applications, even on a pay-as-you-go model, is evolving now into new areas where we're seeing risk and reward opportunities with large transaction banks. So both on the service level, in the ability to acquire products and services in one marketplace, i.e. the GTP, Simplex's Global Transactions Platform, and the ability for us to engage with a large transaction bank on a business model that's very different from the old software as a service model, I would see as two major differentiators for Simplex.
So do you see mobile services having a significant impact in other markets, and what is Simplex doing to address this need?
Yes, I would definitely see mobile having a significant impact in the market that we're in. We mostly work with large transaction banks. We are definitely seeing that mobile is having an impact, and obviously from the bank's point of view, taking market share potentially out of the consumer markets or the retail payment side. But the reality is that we're seeing that on a global level, what with everything that's going on in the marketplace today, there are very few banks we're seeing that are ignoring the mobile challenge. So in actual fact, we're working very closely with our large banks to engage in the propositions which connect those organisations to mobile. I don't think the banks will be left out of that space. They will definitely lose some of the retail payment space, but I think they are intrinsically connected to anything where clearing and settlement is required. So on a global scale, we see those banks as definitely connected, and ourselves very much supporting those banks and their clients in that space.